Avocados, nature's smooth green butter, have graduated from guacamole sidekick to full-blown wellness icon, and not just because they photograph well on toast. Beneath their creamy texture lies a dense matrix of monounsaturated fats, lutein, vitamin E, and a suite of micronutrients that go far beyond heart health. These compounds work together to maintain the very architecture of your cells, specifically the lipid membranes that guard your DNA and protect your genetic material from oxidative chaos, inflammation, and premature aging. In short, avocados don't just make your salad luxurious, they're actively working as your genome's personal bodyguard. Let's start with the big player, monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs, primarily oleic acid, which make up the bulk of avocado oil. Your cell membranes are constructed from lipid bilayers, a delicate, dynamic structure that keeps your insides in, your outsides out, and your signaling systems functioning. These membranes aren't just barriers, they're active participants in nutrient transport, mitochondrial communication, and even DNA repair signaling. MUFAs help maintain the fluidity and integrity of these membranes, ensuring that they remain supple yet protective. Compared to saturated fats, which can make membranes stiff and brittle, or polyunsaturated fats, which can oxidize more easily, MUFAs strike the perfect balance, resistant to peroxidation but flexible enough to support cellular function. Why does this matter for your DNA? Because when membranes are damaged, especially mitochondrial membranes, the entire energy production process gets leaky and chaotic. This leads to more reactive oxygen species, ROS, which are infamous for attacking DNA, creating strand breaks, base modifications, and even chromosomal rearrangements. But with a steady supply of MUFAs, your membranes stay resilient, your mitochondria stay efficient, and your DNA stays far better protected from collateral damage. Next up is lutein, a carotenoid antioxidant typically associated with eye health, but increasingly recognized for its brain and DNA protective roles. Lutein gets incorporated directly into cell membranes and localizes in areas of high oxidative stress, such as neurons and mitochondria, where it acts like a biochemical sponge for free radicals. Lutein has been shown to reduce lipid peroxidation and protect against DNA fragmentation in several studies, especially in tissues with high metabolic activity. Think of it as a kind of wearable armor for your cells, absorbing the hits before they reach your genome. Then there's vitamin E, one of the most effective fat-soluble antioxidants in human biology. Avocados provide the alpha-tocopherol form of vitamin E, which embeds itself in lipid membranes and neutralizes lipid radicals before they can initiate a chain reaction of membrane and DNA destruction. Vitamin E is particularly adept at preventing the formation of 8-oxo-deoxyguanosine, a mutagenic lesion caused by oxidative stress. This means it doesn't just prevent short-term inflammation or fatigue, it lowers your long-term risk for chronic disease and even cancer by shielding your DNA from everyday insults. But the avocado's arsenal doesn't stop there. It's also packed with glutathione precursors, B vitamins, magnesium, and phytosterols, all of which contribute to reduced systemic inflammation and improved methylation status, a process essential for DNA repair, gene regulation, and cellular detoxification. In other words, avocados don't just defend your DNA from damage, they help your cells fix what's already broken. Emerging studies suggest that diets rich in avocados may improve markers of genomic stability, including reduced DNA strand breaks, lower inflammation, improved lipid profiles, and better mitochondrial performance. In elderly populations, avocado intake has even been linked to improved memory and cognitive function, likely a result of better lipid composition in neuronal membranes and reduced DNA oxidative stress in brain cells. So while the internet might praise avocados for being healthy fats, the truth is far more exciting. They are molecular engineers, supporting the very scaffolding of your cells, optimizing your repair systems, and acting as a nutritional shield around your genetic material. They don't just help you feel better in the short term, they help you function better at the cellular level, especially in the organs that matter most: your brain, your heart, and your DNA vault. In sum, avocados aren't just delicious, they're a creamy, green ally in your daily battle against entropy. Spread them, slice them, or scoop them with a spoon, but know that every bite is a biochemical vote in favor of genomic integrity and graceful aging.